Hey, neighbor. How are you, neighbor? You know, we have another birthday. And it's that rascally fella, Patrick Gaines. Gaines, you say? Yeah. What kind of gains? Getting them gains. Getting them gains. Patrick Gaines. Yeah, he's cool. He's super cool. And he's having a birthday. You know what? And Patrick, since you've been a good boy, you've earned yourself a couple of dad jokes. Get you some, get you some. Let's get into the dad pack. All right. Hey, Patrick, I know you're into those house flippity floppity things where you take the houses and you flip flop them. So, how much do chimneys cost? Nothing. They're on the house. Have you? You've been super good. Let's do another one. What's made of leather and sounds like a sneeze? Ah, shoo! Shoo! Anywho, Patrick, hope you have a fantabulous birthday, and we'll see you later. Later, Gator. See you at church. Go, Patrick, it's your birthday.